What happens when one innocent sneeze sends a room full of comedians into a frenzy? At a little-known comedy club in 2022, a comedian unexpectedly sneezed mid-joke. The sound echoed through the venue, catching everyone off guard. Instantly, the audience erupted into laughter, amplifying the chaos. Comedians started responding with exaggerated sneezes, turning the night into an impromptu sneeze-off. Laughter filled the air, uniting performers and viewers in a wave of uncontrollable giggles. By the end of the night, they didn't just enjoy jokes, they shared a memorable experience fueled by hilarity and spontaneity.